How to unblock someone on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and you just click on this profile here, like this blocked contact. Click on his profile and now scroll down and it will find it, this one, unblock. Click on it and as you see, this contact have been unblocked, and that's how to unblock someone on WhatsApp, and it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.